Hey guys, here I am standing on the deck of the old Vexus here. About to put it on the lake, this lake. Never been here before. It's a new lake. They built this reservoir like maybe 5 or 7 years ago. It's not very old, but I heard there's pretty good fishing here now. I don't know how mature these fish are, but we're gonna give it a shot. The main reason I came to this lake is because a friend of mine, Grant, who I fished with a bunch from Iowa, he kind of met me here. This is kind of halfway between where we live. So yeah, we're gonna get out here and see if we can get it done. Here, check it out. Flip them around.
You have fancy ass rod storage, don't you?
Yeah. You can see there's white caps out there.
Oh yeah.
It'll be good.
Yeah.
It's all good, bro.
Yeah.
It's all good.
We'll go down there and then dress up.
Yeah, we can do that. We're gonna do something. Hopefully there's a fish to be caught here.
I think we're gonna catch a lot of small fish.
I hope so. That'd be great. You got the stuff, bro. I like it.
Step on the carpet or do you take whatever.
I mean, you can wear it if you want, but it's about as fast as we go. We're just gonna hug this bank. Hopefully there's some fish here, and hopefully we'll stay a little bit warmer. This freaking bait don't track worth a damn. I have to fix it. I was hoping, you know, them rocks should warm up and hold heat overnight when the sun's out, so. And unfortunately the sun really ain't been out this week. Sorry if I'm backboating you, I'm not trying. Just think, Grant, you might just be sitting at home right now. Instead, you're in Nebraska, bass fishing. Is that a Casey's Original Donut?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon? All right, here you go.
I got powdered sugar ones too.
All right.
See to the right, far right of the screen. All the white. See?
They're way out here.
Yeah.
Yep. I think that you're right. I think those are fish. I'm gonna throw a splinter bait in there. Splinter bait. He was on the Nidge turtles. One of the wise old peoples. Oh yeah. I just ruined my footage. We caught a bass. A single bass.
You drag him off from the inside.
He was, I don't know if he came out, followed it out, or if he just was on the edge of it. There we go, finally caught a bass.
Don't want to throw him away.
I was taking a picture. Look, he's got cow spots on him. He's really dark.
Yeah, I was saying.
All right, here we go. Away he goes. Red spinnerbait. Let's just run them rocks just till they end right there. And we'll see how badly I bash my boat up into the rocks. Since the wind is now blowing 118.
Man, he is light. Don't you bastard! Finally. No, I'm not.
Oh, I just got one. He smoked it right at the boat. Oh, he's a pretty good one, Grant. He's a pretty good one. He's a lot bigger than that first one I had.
Did you lock it?
Yeah. He smoked it right at the boat. There we go. We're gonna start catching some of these, I hope. Now I gotta try my new scale. I got a new scale. See if this thing has any weight to it. He looks like 1.5 pounds. What do you think he weighs, Grant?
1 pound, 4 ounces.
1.89.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's decent. That's a deecer. We should have weighed the other ones. We could have got our total sack weight. There we go. One on the chatterbait or the bladed jig. Not really a chatterbait. It's right along that mud line. Grant's caught his second one. Now we're tied. He's a pretty nice little fatty. On a black and blue chatterbait. So we've caught 3 fish along this bank now. They're just barely touching it, aren't they? All right, guys, that is gonna do it. We didn't do too hot, but we caught a few fish. Well, caught a couple each, and get together and fish a little bit, so that's fun. We ain't fished together in over a year probably, so it's fun to do. Yeah, I mean, it was a struggle today. The water's still pretty cold in the low 40s, low to mid 40s. We kind of figured something out, but we couldn't, I mean, it just wasn't real consistent. We caught, you know, 4 fish on 4 different baits, but kind of all in the same area. So definitely worth getting out, better than sitting on the couch. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell down there so you don't miss anything. We'll see you next time. It's like a controlled wreck. Put the boat on its air.